Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the notes option in your MacBook, how you can add the notes on your MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to click on the launchpad section, and after clicking on the launchpad section, if you see here, you will be able to see the notes option. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on the notes section, as you can see, the notes options are provided here. If you want to create a new note, then you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you have to start writing the note here. For example, I have written this one, then press the enter, and then this one I have written this one, and after that, if some edit options are provided here, like the heading and all the things, and the blue ticks are provided here. Some other options are provided, you can use them as well. So as you can see, some other options are provided here if you want to use them, like if you want to add a picture, or you can also do that. If you want to add any kind of context or anything else, you can also do that. So in this way, you can, if you want to share this, you can also do that. Simply you need to click on this, and after clicking on this, you will be able to see the share option as well. So in this way, you can use the notes option. If you want to add a note, you can also do that. Or if you want to delete this one, then you have to click on this and then click on the OK, and it will be deleted. So as you can see, in this way, you can create a new note, or share a note, or edit a note, or delete a note on your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.